whenever we have these kind of bends, always try to go slow slightly. Alright, so now if we want to change the lanes, first of all maintain your speed. It's a 70 zone, so at least go 65.
It's maybe 80.
80, yeah, but on the bends it's always like 10 kilometers less.
Okay.
Now we will be moving to the left lane, so how you will do it? Put your left signals on.
Yes.
Very good.
And then the
Center mirror. Check your left mirror. Check your shoulder all the way.
Then now.
Yes, good. Now we will again do it and we will move to the right lane. So put your right signals on.
Yeah.
Check your center mirror first.
Then center mirror.
Right mirror.
Right mirror.
Then your shoulder. And then easily come to the right side. Now this is a very good lane change. Excellent. At the traffic lights, we are going straight ahead.